Welcome to Nithyavin Padivugal. In this video, we are going to see problems and their solutions from exercise 6.3 integers chapter, class 6 CBSE maths. Subtraction of integers is going to be introduced here. Already in the previous exercise itself, we have introduced the concept subtraction of integers. Now, let us recall how to subtract integers. To subtract an integer from another integer, it is enough to add the additive inverse. It is enough to add the additive inverse. So, to subtract an integer, just add the additive inverse of the integer. Which integer? Additive inverse of the integer that is to be subtracted. Additive inverse of the integer that is to be subtracted to the previous integer. Okay, see, you can understand this very well with an example. Before that, let us recall again. To subtract an integer from another integer, it is enough to add the additive inverse of the integer that is to be subtracted to the another integer. Okay, example, problem number 1a, 35 minus 20. Here, this is a problem, subtraction problem. It has two integers. So, we know how to add integers. Here, 35 is a positive integer and 20 is a positive integer, and the operator is minus, subtraction. How to do this in the form of addition? See, is equal to 35 minus 20 is equal to, we know the rule is add the number which is to be subtracted, the additive inverse of the integer to be subtracted with the another integer. Here 20 is to be subtracted from 35. So, add additive inverse of 20 to 35. Okay. So, this can be written as 35 plus additive inverse of 20. In our channel, we have given a separate video for additive inverse. What is an additive inverse? How to find additive inverse of each and every number? Explanations, definitions, examples are also given. So, you can refer in our channel. 35 plus additive inverse of 20 is equal to 35 plus additive inverse of 20 is minus 20, because 20 plus minus 20 is equal to 0. So, additive inverse of 20 is minus 20. The next step is equal to, now this is in the form of adding one positive integer and one negative integer. In this case, what will we do? Subtract the smaller number 20 from 35 and put the sign of bigger number 35. So, plus 35 minus 20, that is 15. So, the answer is plus 15 or 15. 35 minus 20 is equal to 15. Okay. You have to follow the rules, because this concept subtraction of integers is being introduced here in this exercise only. You should not do the subtraction directly. You can do subtraction directly for your verification, but you must write that you have to add the additive inverse of 20, and each and every step should be written one by one. Okay, then only you will get full marks. Next, 72 minus 90. These two are integers with a subtraction symbol minus. So, is equal to, this is a problem of subtraction of integers. So, we have to add the number that is to be subtracted, additive inverse of the number that is to be subtracted. Here 90 is to be subtracted from 72. So, we have to add additive inverse of 90 to 72. So, next step is equal to 72 plus additive inverse of 90 is minus 90. which is equal to, now see, 72 plus minus 90 is in the form of adding one positive integer and one negative integer. So subtract the smaller number 72 from bigger number 90 and put the sign of bigger number minus in front of the expression. So minus 90 minus 72 is 18. The rough work is done here. Okay. You can refer while doing your classwork or homework or for the time of practice also. Let us see the next problem, 1C. Minus 15 minus minus 18. There is no separate rule for subtraction of integers because subtraction depends upon addition of integers. So let us do it again. Minus 18 is to be subtracted from minus 15. So additive inverse of minus 18 is to be added with minus 15. So the given expression is equal to minus 15 plus additive inverse of minus 18, that is plus 18. So the next step is minus 15 plus 18 is equal to, now one is negative integer and one is positive integer, they both are being added together. So this comes under addition of integers, addition of different integers. So we have to subtract the smaller number 15 from bigger number 18 and put the sign of bigger number 18, that is plus here. So plus 18 minus 15 equal to plus 3. That's all. Okay. 1D. Minus 20 minus minus 13. Here also we are subtracting two integers, two negative integers. One is minus 20 and one is minus 13. Minus 13 is to be subtracted from minus 20. So you have to add the additive inverse of minus 13. It's not minus 13. Okay. It's not plus 13, it is minus 13. Now minus 20 plus minus 13 is equal to, see, sum of two negative integers. So add the integers, add the numerical values first and put the same sign minus in front of the expression. So it is equal to minus 20 plus 13, that is 33. So minus 33. 23 minus minus 12 is equal to, here minus 12 is to be subtracted from 23. So add additive inverse of minus 12 with 23, which is equal to 23 plus additive inverse of minus 12 is plus 12, because plus 12 plus minus 12 is equal to 0. So additive inverse of minus 12 is plus 12, which is equal to 23 plus 12. So 35 is the answer. Minus 32 minus minus 40 is equal to minus 32 plus, here minus 40 is to be subtracted from minus 32. So we have to add additive inverse of minus 40 to minus 32, which is equal to minus 32 plus, what is the additive inverse of minus 40? Yes, plus 40, which is equal to, now we are adding two integers, one is positive and one is negative. So find the difference between them. Put the sign of bigger number. So the expression is plus 40 minus 32, which is plus 8 or 8 itself. It's the answer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Nityavin Padivugal for more maths videos, more useful videos. Thank you.